This 2023 Grand Design Reflection 150,260 road as a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new Grand Design is 29 feet 9 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 4, refrigerator, stove-top burner, external shower, microwave, leveling jacks, auxiliary battery, DVD player, oven, air conditioning, Colorado Detector, and 56 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bath, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear kitchen, rear living area, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Reflection 150,260 road is 7,306 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.